Hello everyone, today's been one of those crazy days. You know, when you pack too much into one day, the schedule's just nuts. So we're doing this a little bit more at the end of the day. But I want to share something with you, and it's a personal observation, and the reason I'm sharing it with you is that maybe you can benefit from this or see some similar things in yourself. Is, you know, I've noticed that in my personal life, and Nick I think noticed this as well, is that like in our lives, when we have a problem of some sort, it seems to occupy our entire attention. So for example, we had to go through a renovation recently on a property. Some of you may have seen the student rental renovation, and that kind of took a lot of our attention to get that organized, get that done. It's kind of looked at as a problem when it's unexpected and you just kind of thrown in there and take care of it. Occupies a lot of your time, a lot of your thinking goes to that. And so I have this kind of handy dandy diagram here, and if this is your life, this square, and inside is, you know, your attention, all your attention seems to go to this problem, right? So this is my nice little representation of the problem right here. And something I found is that if we introduce other things, or if we start to think bigger than the current problem, we can handle way more. So whenever we have a problem in our lives, we always think, and when I say problem, I mean, you know, maybe it's an issue or something you have to take care of, a nuisance or something that you didn't plan on. I don't necessarily mean a really bad thing, but something that kind of interrupted your day-to-day schedule. I've found to distract ourselves from it and to really handle the problem a lot faster and easier, instead of focusing on that problem by itself, if we think bigger and put other ideas or other plans or other things into our schedules. So if I have other ideas, and you know, I know this is a brutal diagram, but stick with me here. So if our attention is diverted away from this problem and we're implementing other ideas at the same time we're tackling this problem, something that we once thought we could only tackle and required our full attention, this particular problem, as soon as we're diverted away from it and split our attention and do multiple things, we're able to accomplish more. And this problem doesn't seem as big and bad as it once did. So I'll give you another example. At one point, we were faced with a couple vacancies of investment properties, and it seemed to be a big issue. It was really eating at me. And at the same time, we had a couple other, on the business side of things, a couple business issues that popped up. And as soon as the business issues popped up, I was able to delegate some actions to these problems with a lot more efficiency because I had to, and they seemed to take care of themselves. They magically took care of themselves a lot faster and with a lot more mental ease than they had been weighing on me previous to that. So now every time that we have a problem, I always think, why am I focused on this problem? I need to think bigger. I need to create bigger problems in my life, and when I do, the smaller problems magically take care of themselves. I'm either able to delegate or efficiently handle them much better than I was when I was solely focused on this little problem. So I'm fully aware that today I'm not doing the perfect job of explaining what I'm talking about here, but the point is that when you have a problem in your life, what I've found helpful to me, and maybe my observation can help you too, is that when you focus on something other than the problem, something bigger than the problem, or even if it's another problem that comes into your life, you magically are able to handle more, and the momentum that you create seems to push through multiple things in a way that wasn't possible when you just had one little thing and you were focused on it and you were getting all negative about it. So there's an observation. I hope that's somewhat clear to you. Hopefully you find some use for that. That's it for today. We'll talk to you soon. Until next time, your life, your terms.